back to another episode of Benny B. Today, I got an electric skateboard for Christmas, and I'm going to make a review on this, show you everything about it, because I love this thing. It's awesome. I just took it for a run. I'll show you some videos in a minute, but first I'll show you some features. So here, this is the remote control. The acceleration, so you turn it this way and you'll go forward. This is the brake, but you don't want to slam it. Otherwise you'll go flying off. You just might want to lightly tap it, like maybe just like keep it like right there if you're like going down a steep hill like this one. And then on the side here, there's 3 settings. So I like to go fast, so I have it on the high setting, the H. Now there's an M for medium and an L for low. Then here, there is a reverse button. You can see right here. Here's the power button. Now, if we go here to the skateboard, there's this power button on the side. So if I click that, it'll make a beeping sound and it'll connect to here. So then soon it'll start blinking. And then if we click the reverse button, it'll turn red instead of green and it'll be a red blinking light. Then it'll go backwards. So this is a 1-wheel drive. This one wheel right here is the only one that actually moves. So if I go here, so this is the low. This is the medium, and then this is the high. And so then here, if I do, I'll put it back up, and then I'll go brake, and it stops. So then also on the remote, it has a skateboard picture with the battery on it, so you can see what the skateboard's battery is without actually having to flip it over, because it also shows on the skateboard next to the power button. So then also on the skateboard, the charging port is right on the opposite side of the power button, so you can flip that open, charge it up. It takes about 2 hours to get a full charge, but when it is, it's awesome. Check out the description down below, and I'll put a link to where I purchased this. And now for the videos. Here's my traditional skateboard that I usually ride like down this hill, and then this is my new skateboard I just got. So the wheels are a bit bigger. The truck on the bottom is a bit thicker right here. It's a bit thicker than these ones. Then again, the motor is almost kind of inside this little like around here, and then this is like the battery. It's also a bit smaller. But one thing I love about it is if it was like 2-wheel drive, it's like really easy to like lift up and it's really light. Just compared though, this one, it's a bit heavier, but otherwise they're both, this one's like a lot lighter than probably like a 2-wheel drive maybe.
Epic.
Epic. Go
See-
Strider.
That would probably be the funniest part.
I should probably go over there first. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.